Years. Today we will study about expressing percentage as fraction. Okay, how can we express percentage as fraction? For example, 50 percentage. How can we write as a fraction? We already learned. Okay, 50 percentage is fractionally we can write as 50 by 100, isn't it? This one we can further divide. I told you we can again cut if it is possible. We can further but simplify. Okay, it means 0 and 0 we can cancel, isn't it? 0 and 0 we can cancel. And 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means both 5 and 9. Which one? 5 is a common factor, isn't it? So we can cut this 10 and 5 using 5. Okay. In 5s, here 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Understand? 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. That means 1 by 2. Isn't it? 50% is the half of what 100, isn't it? That's why we got it 1 by 2. So this is the simplified form. 85%, 85. Then we can write as 85 by 100. Okay, here also you can see that this one having 5 as common, isn't it? So we can cut this number using 5. So when we are cutting this number, you can see that first this is 8. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So we have to take a 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Then what is remaining? 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this will become 35. 3 will be here, 35. So how many times of 5 is 35? 7 5s are 35. So you will get a 735. Understand? This is where we are cutting. Now just take this one 5. We are going to cut this number using 5, isn't it? Both you have to cut the same number. Okay, that is important. Okay, so here you are cutting using 5 and here 2 means that is wrong. Which number? Both it is will be divisible. That number you have to take. Okay, so here 1 it is there, so we can't take it. So take a 10. 10 means how many times? 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. And this 0 we can, but this 0 you have to write it. Okay, that is last one. This is 20 we will get, isn't it? This 20 into 5 times is what? 100, isn't it? So 20 we will get. Okay, so the last one 0 you can cut means you have to put that 0 here. Then only our answer comes. Now you can check it by multiplying it with 5. 20 into 5 is what? 100. 70 into is 5. 70 into 5 is what? 85. So 70 by 20. So 70 is a prime number. So that further cutting is not there. So what is the answer? 70 by 20. Okay. So one question is from your notebook exercise. 75%. 75. 75 you can simply 75 means 3 by 4. You will get it. Can we check it? 75 by 100 we can write it. Then you can take a 25 here because 25 is a common factor for 75 and 100. Or 5 you take it, but you will have more divisions you have to do. If you are taking 25 means 25 times of 3 is 75. 25 times of 4 is 100. Like that we have to think and write it. So 25 you are going to cut these both numbers by 25. We will get the answer simply. Understand? 3 times of 25 is 75. 4 times 3 by 4. Okay. You will get directly the answer. And instead of that one, if you are taking 5 also you will get it, but we have to divide more. Okay. So just take a 5. I am just taking 5 also. Okay. Then what will happen? We can check it. Here both when we are dividing, then 1 5s are 5, then 25 means 1 5s are 5, 6, 7, then 25 you will get it, then 5 5s are 25. Here what we will get? 20 easily. 5 means 20 we already written there. 15 by 20. You can hear what we can take. 5 we can take, isn't it? 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Okay, like that we go and we will get a 3 by 4 as fraction. So this is the way expressing percentage as fraction. Okay. Now next one is expressing percentage as decimal. Okay, percentage as decimal. So when you getting some questions, you have to check what is actually the meaning of it. Okay, percentage as decimal. So the question is percentage. You have to convert into decimal. So maybe this fraction means converting into fraction. We must understand the question. That is the first part. Okay, understand what it is given. Then it won't be confused. Otherwise, percentage, decimal, percentage, fraction. Like that, if you think means it will be totally confusion. So reading the question and understanding is very important. So that's why, because many confusing things are here. Don't make confusion. Understand it. So percentage as decimal. So I am writing a percentage. I am going to convert it as a decimal form. Okay. So what it is 12%. 12% it is given. 12% means to convert it as a decimal. First we have to convert it as a fraction. 12 by 100. Now it is a fractional form, isn't it? But we have to convert it into decimal. Then what we know, 12 by 100, 2 0, then 1 2. Then what will happen? We have to put a point here. 0.12, 0.12. That's all. This is the answer. What about 43 percentage? 43 by 100. What will we get? 0.43. That's all. Very simple. Okay. Then 93 or 95 percentage. 95 by 100. Then 0.95. That's all. Okay. Now one more thing. Maybe the question having a decimal number. Okay. For example, we can write a 63.5 percentage. 63.5 percentage. Like that percentage is there. 63.5. So this is already in what point form. But don't make it is percentage. This is percentage is given. This sign is there means it is percentage. So we have to write 63.5 divided by 100. Understand? Now when you 20 here, understand? So point is here now 1 2. Understand? Point will be shift to this place. Then what will you get? 0.635. Okay. Understand? Or 6.35 it is there means 6.35 divided by 100. Understand? 6.35 divided by 100. Then point shift to 1 here. Then again we have to put a 0. So 0.0635 percentage. Okay. So this is the way we are converting expressing a percentage as decimal. Okay. Okay, now next one is expressing decimal as percentage. Decimal as percentage. Okay, how can we express decimal as percentage? Very simple. Decimal. So it is given what decimal. We have to express in percentage. So we are having a decimal number and it will be expressed with a percentage. Okay, percentage must be there. Okay, so don't make confusion. When we are getting question, just read the question. Express the following decimal as percentage. So the question is given as decimal. You have to convert into percentage. So all of you have to study this. Okay. So taking an example, 3.5. This is a decimal number. We have to convert into what? Percentage. Very simple. There we divided. Previous one we divided. Easily converting percentage as decimal. Here we just multiply. Okay. 3.5 into 100. You know when we multiply, what is the rule? 3.5. First here this 0 will make 3.5 into 35. Then one more 0 is there. Okay. So what you will get? 350 percentage. 350 percentage. Okay. 350 percentage is the answer. What about 0.25? 0.25. Okay. 0.25 is how many percentage? 0.25. 0.25 is how many percentage? This is a decimal number. So 0.25 into 100 multiplication. Then this point. Then what will be answer? 25. Point will be moves to right side. Is it first 2.5, then 2 zeros are there. The 2.5 and 25 is the answer. Isn't it? So 0.25 was 25 percentage. You see, when you reconvert this one, you will get a 0.25. This 25 percentage. When you convert it, just to convert as a decimal. This is just by that. This is 25 percentage. When you write this as fraction 25 by 100, then what will be your answer? 0.25. Isn't it? Reconversion you can check. Okay. Uh, 0.07. 0.07. Okay. This one we have to convert. 0.07 into 100. Then what we will get? 1, 2. We will get a 7 percentage is the answer, isn't it? So this is the way. Very simple, isn't it? So these are about expressing. So these are the things that we have to study before doing the exercise 4.3. Okay. So I hope that you all understand this. Okay. Thank you.